in a year where there's been a lot of those types of BGS games, I could get your hands on yet another one, especially because it's getting such a little coverage. So let me know if you're playing Tainted Grail, what you're thinking. If you're planning on picking it up, fire away down below. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I will catch you in the next one. Stay sexy, stay active. I love you all. Peace. Salutations, everybody. It is Maddie here today. I hope you're all doing absolutely excellent. And if you are a gamer, especially a Game Pass subscriber, you really should be. Oblivion Remaster and Clair Obscur in the same week. We just reviewed Clair Obscur.
Hi. How are you? Wow. I sound so sad. I'm not sad. I'm just a little tired. How's your weekend so far? I have an idea for animation that I want to make with my add-on. It deals with hands. I'm trying to sculpt the hand. Frog hands. Yes. So far. We'll see where it goes. Oh, onion skinning. On. Look, do you think this is really cool? I made this matrix dot display for knowing what I'm working on. I think it's really cool. But also I'm silly. Inflate. And the display thingy, yes. God. That's just me. Do you think it's cool too? Am I crazy? Because Blender doesn't actually allow you to change font sizes in Python. Like, it's impossible to make something like a big text. So I was like, how do I go around it? It's because like I like seeing what I'm working on, you know? I think it's very important. I think that's pretty good. It's just like a little thin. Alright, let's fix it up a little bit. I should be masking this, but right now I'm too lazy. Or hours. Alright, bye. Have fun. It's gonna be a short stream, so probably not gonna see many hours. But have fun. Hi, Keanu. Doing great. Honestly, pretty happy. It's been a while. How have you been? Thank you, man. I actually kind of want them to stop. What are you up to? How have you been? How's your weekend? It's not procedural. It's sculpted. But all the animation plays procedurally. Of course. All right, let's see. Man, that's cool. Oh god. Oh, too strong. No, this is cycles. It's just not too heavy. Like the scene itself. Man, my item is almost ready for release though. I'm so happy. So close. Any story behind this project? Honestly, no. It's been a while since I wanted to make a short on handshakes, but I just never got to it. And now that I'm making the stop motion add-on or completing it, I decided that it would look crazy if I made it like full stop motion. Like, how are these hands doing? Simulation hands. Animation of hit. And this way, they will only play when they fall. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Alright, freeze on last frame too. Oh no. Did I mess something up? I've been changing this a lot. Tiny little baby hands. Man, this is cooler than... Am I crazy? Am I crazy to think that this is really cool? I need to look why... Also, I've been like... It's raining hands, hallelujah, it's raining hands! It is raining hands! Tuna. You know what I'm really proud of? I mean, the whole add-on is incredible. But do you see this? dot matrix display for the currently working animation. Hand. I'm so proud of it. Tuno, how are you my number 2 fan? I see a crown next to your name and it says number 2. Give this like give this video a like so you get more points and you become my number 1 fan. All right, I need to look into why it's not freezing on the last frame. I've been changing this a lot lately. Why is this? You're number 1, Keanu. It's true. You know I'm number 0. Well, it doesn't show it. Alright, we'll rain hands while I figure this out. And also can hide my add-on. How are you, Tuna? How's your weekend? You working this weekend or no? Man, I sound so tired even to myself. I didn't know, I saw it yesterday. I mean, I haven't streamed in a while with you now. But I saw it yesterday. I had like a very short stream yesterday. Oh, good. Not good that you worked late yesterday. Oh, what's going on here? If frame equal what? 0. Then it's 0. That doesn't make any sense. Am I multiplying my max index? Wait, where's my max index? Yeah, I'm multiplying it. So it should work like this, and it should work. Let's see. So what I'm testing now, they need to fall and play the animation. But they're not. It's an act that hitches into him. Yes. Why is it not playing? Oh my. Wrong connection. Alright, there we go. There we go. There we go. Now they're playing on hit, and they keep on being hands. Tiny little hands. I just want to see them better, so I'm just gonna make it black. How did you learn geometry nodes? Honestly, trial and error. It's like at some point it started making sense. It's like a switch point, right? I mean, first it was like, oh, I just want to distribute something, you know, like do instancing, which is like fairly easy, right? And then it's like, oh, I know how to do that. And then you learn fields, and then you start understanding indexing and attributes, and then simulation nodes, and then you know everything. I mean, I don't know everything. Not at all. I'm not good at math like some other geometry node artists are. I'm not a geometry nodes artist, but I know how to use it. Well, I made this using geometry nodes. I've made a pretty cool feature. Let me show you. I'm gonna go into this view and open up my add-on, and then select this. So I selected one of my sculptures from the thing, and now you can hit preview. This is a new feature. I just added it today. And then it will play while you're sculpting. It drives me insane too, trust me. That's why I sound so tired, because I've been at this the entire day. Also, Tony, you became #1 fan. Thank you. It drives you insane at first because you're like, you don't understand anything. I think the best way, I mean, okay, I'll give 2 like proper advice. 1, watch Cartesian Caramel and download his files from Gumroad and look at how he does things. But return my rightful position. Yeah. And also, like, you know, you don't need to learn geometry nodes to use Blender, but if you want to, you need to like find out where the, like, what do you need it for, and then like, let's say for me, like, I needed cardboard, and I think that was my first like dive into geometry nodes. I wanted to make cardboard using geometry nodes, and that would end up being like my add-on, right? So I kind of force myself into learning it. Watch tutorials. There are a bunch of them, and go on like Reddit or Blender.org, Blender artists org. So many useful things there. And maybe you can ask ChatGPT or something, but a lot of times it's wrong, so I wouldn't actually trust it. So yeah, I was showing you the preview, and look, it's great, but you can actually like move your preview and such using gizmos, and then you just click preview again, and the thing is deleted, which is like really nice. And you can like enable onion skinning here. Object colors as well, so you can be sculpting and like watch, like for example, I'm gonna sculpt. We crashed. This is going to sculpt now. By your patience, thank you, man. This is my testing grounds. Currently working on Gurgi. Let me recover. But anyway, what I was trying to show, and hopefully it doesn't break this time. Oh, I need to go into the logs, see what's wrong. I wonder what is causing that. Is it the preview? Oh no, my indexing's broken. Interesting. Oh, it just breaks when I go into sculpting mode. Does it make me annoyed? Yes. Hi, Red. Oh man, it's so unfortunate about yesterday. Okay, it just... I'll go into logs and see what the problem is. I doubt it's my add-on actually. But look, the cool thing is, you can go here. And switch to object colors, enable onion skinning, copy object. So you can sculpt, and then you can just play, and the preview will show you the change you've made. And let's make something more drastic. I didn't really. I had too many. There were too many issues yesterday. Too many bugs. Because I just keep adding features. I think this is nearly complete. I just need to test it a lot more. And then I'll do the like a proper like start to finish demo. But if you can tell, it has gone a long way. Like it looks like a different add-on now. And now you have like contextual tools instead. Also, how's new job, Red? Are you enjoying it? Also, I'm so unhappy about tomorrow. But anyway, yeah. So that's the preview, and I think that's really cool. I kind of didn't think about editing it, and now I think it's so useful. It has yes for good. Oh, for good. Yes, for sure, for good. That's previous. Well, so you can work on your sculpting, right? While previewing the animation. So you don't have to like commit to like an animation object. You can just have like, and this like preview object, you just click preview again and it's gone. Like it's not in the file anymore. So it's like a temporary preview for when you're sculpting. And again, if I select one of the thingies, like you can sculpt real time and watch the changes. It's really good. Good. Kind of chill on lunch. Hope you're having a great lunch. Yeah, I think it's really handy. Like literally, I came up with this idea like 3 hours ago. I'm not a Python pro. I'm prompt pro. How do you like the dot matrix for the currently working on sign? I mean, maybe it's too big, you can hide it, but and also like preview. First of all, it has a neat little gizmo, so you can move it around. But also, it has like all the features of like the regular like animation thingy, so you can do like real steps, not real, but like 24 FPS in this case. Or you can do whatever. You can do ping pong and reverse. So I think it's really good. And I wanted to, while you're on lunch, I just wanted to really quickly show you the workflow I talked to you about last time. The texture painting. So the way it works, it's contextual, so it will only show up if you're in the right place. It will tell you to open an image editor, and when you do, you see this, right? That's the automatic UV that I also talked to you about. I have a slow and fast version, but currently I'm using like triplanar version. And what you do is I already have, this is a little weird, but also it's not crazy. Yeah, it's fine. Maybe I can make this automated too. But you can, wait, let me create a new image set so it's easier. So it's a new image set. Yes. And this is not really mine. This version is not mine. This is just like pretty much basic flat triplanar. I do have my version. It's like 20 times slower because it actually accounts for protrusions and where the object's facing. It's like it's a little too complex for this, I think. But it's a lot cleaner because you have like spots like this with triplanar that you see like the stretch that you can't really avoid. But anyway, you choose a color, you choose resolution, and it needs to be small. Unless you're doing like a few of them. But anyway, you can click new paint, and I'm just gonna disable onion skinning and go to this. I'm painting the wrong thing, huh? And then you can paint on top of it, and then you can go to the next material, and you can do the same thing again, or you can reuse it. Like you can use paint too, but if your UVs don't match, they won't exactly match. But we can do new paint here, and paint it a different way, and then we can do it as many times as we want. So it pretty much creates an atlas of things, but for it to be a proper atlas, it needs to be like one image, which I can do. I mean, I could do, it's just too much work, and it's gonna be too confusing. So I opted for this. Low resolution required kind of thing, unless you have like 64 gigs of RAM. Other than that, yes, this is how it works, and UV is messed up, but especially for hand manufacturers. Well, the reason why I created this, it's not like to paint, you know, like something extremely complex, like paint textures. It's more so you can do something like, let me create a new image set. And do this. And then you can do onion skinning. Switch the texture so I can see what's under it, right? And you can go to the next object and do the same. And then if I look at it in the preview, you can see it working. It's just other objects don't have the correct paint set up. I need to make sure it always stays on 1. That's a good note to have if it doesn't have a proper index. Honestly, I should just move it here. So it's almost like, oh, if you don't want to have features on your character, let's go check. What's paint 3? Okay. Let's go check every object. Okay, so these ones don't have anything. You won't have to do this. This is more like a bug. It's because the other paint set had more, and it kind of got stuck. It'd be nice to have one empty one. Anyway, I didn't start this correctly. But yeah, so you can actually like, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a new collection. And look, this is so cool. I'll call it ball, right? And you see, now the dot matrix has ball. But anyway, this is going to be like a lot easier to show. And I can hide this. Let's see if it actually stuff up. Yeah, texture doesn't. I could create, let's say, for lectures the group, and then add a texture that may. What's the last part of the question? Or this would be better with the shader editor? You have to explain this to me. Okay. This is gonna be way better because I'm starting anew. Why is this? I need to look into this. This used to be different. Oh, I forgot to make a new paint. Okay. Okay, there we go. I think that's good enough. If I'm correct, but there is a random node that can change the image texture from an image sequence for the approach. Or certain painting textures that can. That's another way. You can't really have a random sequence. You can't even make it like skip frames or make it stop motion from the shader. Like there's no input. You would have to go into like DaVinci or Premiere or After Effects and do that there first and then put it into Blender. In shader editor, you can't really manipulate this sequence. This is more so like, oh, let's say you had, and again, you can combine this with like other things, right? So you can actually have it like, let's do clay, and then you can mix. You can't even do it with a driver. Like you can't I mean, you could do it with the driver actually. Yes, you can. My bad. I haven't looked at this in so long. But yeah. That actually makes sense. And then just hit preview. And there you go. I'm kind of mad I messed up this drawing. It's weird. But I mean, I can't repaint it. And then again, the same logic follows for... Wait, can I just replace that one? Okay, this one. So I can go into here, and this is easy because all the UVs are the same. I can just change it to a different one. So when it restarts, Oh, this one has it too. Oh yeah, it's because I repainted it. Oh, that's so much better. That's where you're from. I'm from Armenia. Wait, Red, are you telling me that using drivers in shader editor is better than this? I think the difference will always be that it's tied to the whole animation. So let's say you're animating a character, like a very sort of abstract step motion character. You could like repaint them and repaint features in them, like real time. Man, I love this so much. Can someone confirm that it's really cool? Just like someone. Oh, it's very different. Okay, okay. I was getting worried a little because it was like, oh, I forgot to hide it. Oh, it's the hand preview. Well, hand. Okay, I need to handle this more gracefully because I've hidden it myself. And then it's like, oh, it's hidden. Oh, you don't even have to do anything with the drivers. It's kind of included in the add-on. You could, if I understand correctly, like what you're saying is like you want to move like the painterly, like base randomly, right? I mean, it depends. Is it like a texture? Is it kind of like this, like the clay texture that I have? Because, for example, for this, you could do. So you would need an attribute, and in this case, it's insert. It's called random per point. And let me make sure that no named attributes used. How is that possible? And then you could just add it to the UV. You see how it moves? Or you could always do because this way it's random per point, but it's like per frame it's random. So it will change while the frames are changing, but it's not changing constantly. You see that? Wait, let me show it in this so it's like more clear. You see it's changing, but it's changing per each one. You could always do frame, divide, and round. And you could use the step value here and then just add it to the vector. For some reason that never works. Why? Oh. Can I try it? Try what? Honestly, with my add-on, it's way simpler than this. You just do attribute time step. Why is it not moving? Wait. Is it because it's baked? Does anyone know what I'm doing wrong? This version of the add-on? We were asking for so much. I'll try to upload it to Discord. Wait, look! It works! It just can't be 2. I mean, it can't be like a 1. It can't be an integer. But why? Am I crazy? I'm trying to think, but I can't. Why is time step not working? Give me 1 sec. Okay, I need to unbake. Time step. It exists. I wasn't crazy. Time step. Yes, it works. What did I do? Okay, so you have to use instancer unless it's realized. But anyway, I think that's as far as I'm gonna go today. Can I make it pretty again? Man, that's so cool. I'm going back and I'm actually done. I have to go. But I'll talk to you soon. Have fun, Red. And everyone who's been here, thank you so much for being here. Have a great weekend and a lot of fun. Much love. Bye.